Well, hi everyone. This is the spokesperson of Origami Kankichi channel. And on behalf of our crew members, I would like to say thank you and Happy New Year to all Kankichi channel subscribers and daily viewers out there. Owing to your support, our channel has been becoming more and more popular each year, and number of the subscribers are almost exceeding 30,000. Yes, it's 30,000. So, to celebrate this moment, we would like to throw a speed folding challenge on this video. As you can already see, Kankichi is folding a traditional Japanese Kusudama unit at its fastest speed right now. We've set a stopwatch sitting right beside, so you can tell that we are not using a fast forward, right? If you can go for this challenge, please set the timer right beside you and do it a similar way, okay? Now 1 minute has passed. Let's see what Kankichi is doing at the moment. Oh, I see. He's putting his finger into the pocket and then opening it. So the edges are going to be nicely folded down, and the whole umbrella shape is going to look perfect. Yeah, it's so even, man. And the white parts have to be hidden like that nicely. Okay, and the top part has to be folded, and make it really pointy. So this part, you cannot really compromise, and then must be doing the sharp work. Okay, the other side, make it also as pointy as possible. Both sides have to meet in the middle, and that pointy thing is brought down. Now you are spreading it open. So if you go for the opposite side, then the whole shape is going to be perfectly symmetrical. That was the theory. Alright, now 2 minutes has passed, and I would like to go back to do the promotion. Would you like to try this? Yes, on your own, by yourself. Set the timer beside you and fold a Japanese traditional Kusudama unit like this. Please, after that, I want you to write a comment in the YouTube comment box. Or another option is check out Origami Kankichi's Instagram and write your comment there. Finally though, if you're trying yourself, would you please make sure so you're gonna fold everything as accurate as possible. Don't you just, do whatever work, okay, for this challenge. Otherwise, Kankichi wouldn't really approve your record. Okay, almost the end of the unit. One last part to fold. Just putting those side in, and almost stop. What's the time? Here we go. 3 minutes and 6 seconds. That's Kankichi's time. Hope you can beat it. Bye, and please keep watching Kankichi's video.